My name is Paul from Dublin, living here the last 18 years plus, the wife and kids here. Activate was referred to me by a friend, and then they came out. The install was done within a day. All the work, there was no damage caused, there was no fixing of anything. They were great, they were done within a couple of hours. Had them 2 years. We had one issue where the app stopped working and it was picking up to eddies. I got in contact with Activate and they had an engineer out here and it was fixed within a matter of an hour of him arriving out. It was brilliant. I found just the app very good for just learning what you're using, and the biggest thing is the electric shower. It's the cost of half of the electricity when you have 5 of us using it here. The main concern would have been it's a big cost getting it in. Would it be worth it? Are you going to see a benefit of it after a couple of months and you get that first payback from the electricity you sell off and your bills are reduced? You can see kind of the impact it has straight away. We built the bar during the COVID times, and as you could see earlier, there was a lot of lights, and to make it into a good looking bar, and the tellies for the footballs on, the gas on. We'll have both tellies on, and it's great that it's all running. If the sun is out, it's running and it's not costing you a penny. So the lads have gone down there and had their friends over with PlayStations and Xboxes, and they're all down there, and it's great that it's not costing you a penny as well. You don't have to be saying, turn that off and turn this on. Just if your house is sitting idle, at least it's being covered by the solar panels even on a cloudy day, so it's not costing you anything. Yeah, I'd recommend that they jump straight in. I'd definitely go get it. I know there's different things like green loans can help people get it, and they're over the 10 years, which is a low cost loan. I think everyone should have them, because if you're paying an electricity bill, you should have solar because it will reduce your bills. Definitely highly recommend that everyone should try go out and get it if you're paying an electricity bill.